Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from Australia to Philippines. So here's a simple workaround for that. So open the Remitly website, or you can as well use the Remitly app, then sign in or create a Remitly account with your details. Then step 3, you have to select Australia as the sending country, which is a sending source. Then Philippines as the receiving country. So step 4, enter the amount of money you want to send. Then step 5, choose a delivery method. Options include a bank deposit, cash pickup, money wallet, or home delivery in Philippines. So on step 6, you have to fill in your recipient full name, bank details, or pickup details depending on the method you choose. So you just make sure you pick from those options, which is bank account, pickup, or any other option. Just make sure you pick the right one that is suitable for the receiver. Then select your payment method. You can select your debit card as your payment method, as the payment source, credit card, or your bank transfer. Review all the details carefully to avoid loss of funds. So make sure you double check and review the transfer details carefully and confirm the transaction. And that's how you can easily transfer money from Australia to Philippines. You can as well check or track your transfer in the Remitly app until your recipient receive the money. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide videos.